Rani Mukherjee's Ayya trailer to be out next week, and the actor wants her mom's approval before the trailer is released. Rani Mukherjee likes being a mama's girl. The actor is keen that her mother Krishna Mukherjee approves the trailer of Ayya before it is officially released next week. There is said to be quite a lot of skin show for Rani's standards in the movie, and so she feels her mother's yes is important. A source said that according to Rani, this is by far the craziest film she has worked on in a fun way. She has played a character like none other she has done before. In Ayya, Rani plays a Marathi girl who finds a man desirable because he smells good. The male lead is essayed by Malayalam star Prithvi Raj. Rani is also excited to present to her mother the crazy, dreamy world her character Meenakshi lives in the film. Directed by Sachin Kundalkar and co-produced by Anurag Kashyap and Viacom 18, Ayya will release October 26, just after Dussehra.